everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over single foot pullbacks. So, if you haven't yet learned my single pullback, I would go ahead and start there, work your way through those single pullbacks, and then I would move on to the double pullbacks or syncopated, and work your way through those. Make sure you have those down before moving on to the single foot. The single foot is where it gets harder. Okay, so this is more advanced than the single and double pullbacks. So single foot pullback is literally what it sounds like. You're doing a pullback on your single foot. Okay, so with your single pullback, both feet are going together. You're going to do a spank, land, both feet, 2 sounds. Okay, with your double pullback, you're getting 4 sounds. Feet are now separate, so now you're getting spank, spank, land, land, right, left, right, left. Okay, with your single foot, like I said, you are just going to do that 1 foot. So we're going to start on our right. I tend to do it flat foot so I can get a good, nice, strong sound and good support for my ankle. If you would like to start from your toe, that is perfectly fine. If you would like to give yourself the challenge, just make sure that your ankles are nice and strong or that you're holding on to something. But I do recommend flat foot, okay? Starting with your heel down. I tend to recommend starting heels up for your single and double. But for single foot, I recommend flat foot for support, okay? So from here, just like every other pullback that we've ever learned, single and double, you want to go into your plie, into your bend, and then you're going to launch yourself from that bend, okay? You're going to get a spank step on your right foot with just that single foot, right? So we're going to bend in, and we're going to do a single foot pullback, bringing us back, okay? Try that again. Bend in your knee and then launch. Okay, these are difficult. That's why I said make sure that you start with that single and that double before you move on to the single foot, okay? You can also do it with your left foot as well. So with your left foot now, right foot comes up, you're going to bend into your left knee and then launch yourself off doing that spank land on your left. So here we go. Bend your knee and launch. Good. Try it again. Bend your knee and launch. Okay. These take a lot of balance and a lot of strength, core strength, and lots of support in your ankles. Okay. So with these, I would recommend for sure starting with holding on to something. Maybe if you have a bar, if you have a chair. You can't put too much weight into a chair. Maybe a counter that you can hold on to. Something that you can hold on to, lean into, put your full body weight, bend your knee, and then launch yourself back. Okay, so again, bend and spank back. Same thing on the left foot, bend. Oop, that was a bad one, sorry. Again, bend, spank, land. Okay, something that you can hold on to, that you can put your weight into, and give you some support while you're still newly learning these. Okay, you can also do a few in a row. I'm going to attempt that now. So right foot, bend, spank, land, spank, land, spank, land. Almost ran out of space there. And same thing on your left side as well. Bend and spank, land, spank, land. Whoop, that was a bad one, sorry. And spank, land. There, nicely done. All right, thank you so much for watching. As always, if you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. I post new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.